Hi, Ben Kingsley here, founder and managing director of Empower Wealth. Now, I've been in the workforce for over 30 years and lots of different jobs over that time. And there's one thing you know that when you start in the workforce, and that is you have to do an annual tax return. Now, I've worked with lots of different accountants over the journey, some great and some not so great. I even have a well-documented story about getting some really bad advice, which has ultimately cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars in opportunity cost. So finding that right accountant is absolutely critical. And in my view, from my experience, what I've found is the great accountants are really trusted advisors. They are confidants on your journey of money management and then ultimately as part of your wealth creation team. And when I refer to trusted accountants, what I'm referring to is you can get accountants who just process the work and don't give you any feedback, any opportunity. Now, I would say they are below par type accountants. What you want is a value add accountant, an accountant who's going to be proactive in looking at your overall global situation and taking a moment to learn about your personal goals and those financial goals attached to those personal goals. Because when you get that type of trusted relationship, you can have that dialogue where they can be your accountability partner. They can steer you in the right direction. They can potentially introduce you to people as building out your wealth creation team. And that's what we're focused in on in launching our brand new tax and personal accounting business. It is really about integrating that accountant into the overall team of people who are looking after you with a clear focus on great money management and making sure that we are getting the maximum tax deductions and making your money optimized to work as hard as possible for you. So it's a really exciting time here at Empower Wealth as we launch this new division, because we're clear that there's going to be great opportunities in helping you. And we're really confident that you will rate our accountants as great trusted advisors moving forward. Thanks for requesting more information. The first option is around a tax refund. And we're encouraging you, if you do anticipate a tax refund, to click on that button so you can organise your appointment with one of our senior accountants sooner rather than later, because we want to see that tax refund money into your offset or savings account. Now, option number 2 is for those people who may be anticipating that they have tax payable to the ATO. Now, if you don't work with a tax agent, then ultimately you have up until the end of October to submit your tax return. But if you register with a tax agent, you have until midway through next year to actually submit that. Now, what's important about that is it's better that the money's sitting in your offset account, in your savings account, as opposed to paying it to the government. So we encourage you to also click on that button. Now, when you do, you'll actually get recorded as a phone call coming out to you. And there's some paperwork that we need to do to register ourselves as your tax agent, which means that you have that extra time to pay your tax. Now, there's a lot of information on this page in terms of our tax and personal accounting services. So I also encourage you to check that out, because remember, our tax and personal accounting business is different. We think it can be done better. We think that there can be more value add and a more holistic approach in terms of how we help you, not only with your tax, but also with your money management and how we can guide you to building wealthier tomorrows. So check out that information as well.